You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. I've got many more videos for you. The top word is pronounced while. While. While I was sleeping, I heard a noise. While. The bottom word is wheel. It's a long E sound, okay? The wheels on the bus. Wheel. So, while is the top word, while. Wheel, very different sounds. While, wheel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.